Hello guys, welcome back. Let's have a look at some connectors and discourse markers together, shall we? Let's get started. The prices were not that high. Moreover, the clothes look perfect on me. Moreover is one of them. Let's see. Shopping is a time-consuming hobby. Moreover, a costly one. So as you see, moreover adds information. All right? Let's try. Cats, extremely intelligent, very clean. How would you make a sentence here with moreover? Let's see. Cats are extremely intelligent and moreover, they are very clean. All right? So this is how it works. Or cats are extremely intelligent and furthermore, they are very clean. All right? Furthermore is basically the same. Moreover and furthermore, they both add information. And notice the commas here, okay? And respect them when you are writing your examples. All right, so how about here? I love my wife. However, her constant shopping drives me crazy. So here, however, expresses some contrast, okay? I love her, but, or however, her constant shopping drives me crazy. Okay? Let's try. Cats, extremely intelligent. Still prefer dogs though. So, cats are extremely intelligent. However, I prefer dogs. Okay? So, we are expressing some contrast. The same with nevertheless. Cats are extremely intelligent. Nevertheless, I prefer dogs. Again, however, nevertheless, the same thing. Okay? Very good. And the last one. On the whole, women tend to shop for clothes more often than men. On the whole means in general, okay? It is expressing that in general something is true, okay? Let's see. Rain occasionally, remarkably dry. Let's see if you can. It rains occasionally, but on the whole, the weather is remarkably dry. More often than not, yeah, in general, the weather is remarkably dry. Yeah, considering all the factors, yeah, in general, it is very dry. The same with all in all. It rains occasionally, but all in all, the weather is remarkably dry. Okay, great. Your heart looks healthy. Nevertheless, I worry about your lungs. I have problems breathing time to time, but all in all, I feel fine. Okay, good. So let's see if you can complete these examples. So remember, we have adding information, moreover, or furthermore, or when we want to express the contrast, we use however or nevertheless, or in general, on the whole, and all in all. All right, let's try. Number one. Hilly and occupied by a forest. On the whole, yes, the surface on the whole is hilly and occupied by a forest. There are some exceptions, but on the whole, it is hilly and occupied by a forest. Very good. Number two. The team was having a great season, and furthermore, all players were getting along. Excellent. We are adding information. Yeah. So here you can also use moreover. If you have chosen moreover, perfectly fine. Number three. It is very comfortable to lie here. However, we must go to work. All right. Again, if you have used nevertheless, no problem. Number four. Gotten fired her boyfriend dumped her, so two bad things. Shelby has gotten fired, and moreover, her boyfriend has dumped her. Okay? Number 5. Well, there were a few details you should have a look at, maybe in your essay, in your project, but all in all, you did great. Very good. And the last one? It took a long time. Nevertheless, the experiment succeeded. Very good. All right. So this is all for today, but we will continue with the connectors in the next video. So stay tuned and see you in the next one. Bye, guys.